Hello and welcome to Yellowfin's Tips and Tricks. On this video, I'll be introducing you to value-defined filters and how to use them on reports. For this demonstration, I have already done some preparation work. However, I will get you up to speed on what I've created. Feel free to follow along with me or with your own data. In front of us, I have dragged across the fields demographic, gender, sum invoiced amount, and count athlete ID. Sum invoiced amount comes from the athlete payment folder and it's been aggregated on sum. The athlete ID has also been aggregated as a count. Whilst this report is giving me the data I want more precise data relating to what really concerns me. I can filter the data down by using fields as filters. To do this, I can drag the field's demographic across to the filter box. I can then further configure my filter by clicking on Advanced Settings. In Advanced Settings, I can determine what type of filter I am using by the filter logic. For instance, demographic enlist user prompt. Yellowfin sets all filters to user prompts until a value is defined or searched by using the define value or the search value button. In the search filter values, I can click on my list values by clicking on the checkboxes. So let's click on adventure, family and culture. I can also see the list below in the defined value, as so. I can also adjust whether I want my filter to be in a list or equal to or greater than or equal to, so I can compare different values if I want to, and I have several advanced filtering options. Yellowfin makes it possible to add multiple fields to the filter box. As you can see, by adding the demographic filter, it has already filtered my results down. Let's add another filter. Let's add in gender. If we click on Advanced Settings, we can see that demographic and gender are now in an AND. Yellowfin allows us to use an AND operator or an OR operator, depending on what data you want to be filtered out in your report. By adding also another filter, which you can do by dragging filter fields here, you can also nest your filters into brackets if you start to use more advanced filtering. For now, we'll remove one of the genders. Let's select males here. Actually, we'll go with females. Close out of that. And as you can see, again, my report data has been filtered down even more. Lastly, filters can also be aggregated and formatted to suit your needs. For instance, if we click on the drop-down arrow in the filter box for demographic and click Format, see how it can be aggregated here. We have several options available to us. In this circumstance, only one, which is we can change the description of the demographic. Gender, we can also change the description. As they are now defined value filters, we don't have as much options as what we would see if it was a user prompt filter. For more information regarding styling filters, please watch our video on using prompt filters. Thank you for watching.